Waging of the crumbs because
Why is my head
this is upsetting me.
There's no crumbs, man.
There's no crumbs. There's a gathering of crumbs.
I'm just throwing them.
Oh, hang on a minute. Nick one.
I've got a cold. Why is this light on? Oh, camera's on. Pepsi. We love Pepsi. Well, it's not about Coke, it's about Pepsi. What is wrong with you? I like Pepsi a lot.
Liam is bad at flirting. I wasn't flirting, I just said she had a cute voice.
He was being nice to someone random who called me. I don't know how she got my number. I hate that man, like, guys.
I think that people don't realise that when they tweet things that I'm actually going to see them. Sometimes I reckon that.
Yeah. They tweet things realising that the boys won't see them, but...
And then the boys see them, the boys get to see that stuff. Andy, are you drunk? I want to answer that question for Andy on Andy's behalf. Yes.
You bitch. You son of a bitch.
Why are you so funny? When are you coming back to Canada?
Tomorrow!
Liam, are you wearing pants? I'll be honest with you. I ain't wearing no pants.
Are you not?
Ah!
Help me! Help me! Help me, give me care.
Andy, this is why we have separate beds. Because Liam doesn't sleep with any pyjamas on. People know this. It's aware. Right, everybody. I'm going to go to bed now because I've got work tomorrow and I don't want to sound rubbish on stage. I'm going to now show you quickly how scared Andy is.
Help me! Help.
That's Andy's reaction to me not having any pants on, but too bad. Bonus stack of puntas and we'll see you all soon. Will you shut the curtains probably a minute to Andy because otherwise it's going to get light and I hate that. I hope I have a nice sleep in my crummy bed. And yeah, thanks for watching this brief 23-minute twitcam of my rubbish